Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am trying to solve this math Olympic problem with a very unique way. So as our equation is 5 to the power of x into 5 to the power of x into 5 to the power of x, that is equals to 10. So as our equation is 5 to the power of x, this means that power will be added. So 5 is 5, we use the formula of a to the power of m, and we have same base but different power. This means that power will be added. So this our equation becomes 5 to the power x plus x plus x, that is equals to 10. So this means that 5 is 1 2 3 3 of x, that is equals to 10 here. So I'm trying to solve both sides, taking log both sides. So our equation become using the formula of log of a to the power of b. This means that b log of a. So our equation become, this is power, so power is first 3 log of 5, that is equals to log of 10. If I'm trying to solve log of 10, which is 5 into 2 is 10. So this means that power will be multiplied. So I'm using the formula of log of a into b, that will be equals to log of a plus log of b. So this concludes that 3 of x log of 5, that is equals to log of 5 plus log of 2. This means that if we're taking log of 5 both sides to further simplify, so this log cancel. 3 of x, this is I'm trying to solve it separately, log of 5 and log of 5 plus log of 2, this is called 1. So further I'm trying to solve this is equation 3 of x, that will be equals to 1 plus log of 2 log of 5 here. So this concludes that if we have log and log b division term, this means that we wrote that is equals to base b into log of a. So our equation is 3 of x, that will be equals to 1 plus log of base 5 into power 2, so divided by 3 both sides. This concludes that our answer is x is equals to 1 plus log of base 5 into 2 divided by 3 is our final answer. So now let's verify. So now put the value of x here. So our equation is first 5 and 5, that is 5 common, and x plus x is 3 of x, that will be equals to 10. So 5 is 3. Now put the value of x, that is 1 plus log of base 5 into 2 divided by 3 here. So this 3 and 3 eliminate, that is equals to 10. So this concludes that 5 into 1 plus log of base 5 into 2, that is equals to 10. So this concludes that 5 into 1 into 5 into log of base 5 into 2, that is equals to 10 here. So this as we know the formula, if we have a constant the power in base power in log and have base same number with different with the different power, this means they will be equal because this is cancelled. So this concludes that our equation become 5 into this and this cancel, so 2 remain, that is equals to 10. 5 2s are 10. So this concludes that our desired answer of x is correct. So thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.